Introducing the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G, the smart premium alternative. Protect your eyes with the Galaxy A17. It features a stable 90Hz Super AMOLED display, offering vivid colors and avoiding eye strain during long sessions. The 6.7-inch screen outputs 1,100 nits of peak brightness. The Galaxy A17 breaks the rule that slim designs sacrifice strength. The front features Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. The phone is wrapped in glass fiber reinforced polymer, giving the 7.5mm chassis an IP54 rating to resist dust and splashes. Optical image stabilization fixes shaky photos. The 50-megapixels main lens moves physically to cancel hand movement. You can shoot crisp photographs and record stable 1080p video. Access Elite AI immediately. The phone runs Android 15 natively, and Gemini Live powers fluid conversations. Circle to Search instantly finds visual answers simply by circling an object you see. The Exynos 1330 chipset uses a 5nm architecture for extreme power efficiency. The 5,000 mAh battery lasts a full workday, supporting 25W fast-wired charging. You can expand your 128GB storage up to 2TB. Voice Focus instantly cancels background noise during calls, isolating your voice. Additionally, on-device voicemail records calls locally, saving audio on the hardware, which can be more cost-effective than network voicemails. Maximize your financial investment with Samsung's guarantee of 6 generations of major Android upgrades and 6 years of Knox security patches. Your phone stays fast and secure until 2031. The Galaxy A17 5G is the ultimate value flagship. You get flagship features like the 6.7-inch Super AMOLED 90Hz display and 50-megapixels OIS camera, while eliminating flagship flaws with features like the 6-year OS and security lifecycle.